Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your REALME Narzo N53. So if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit inside, just spammy pop-ups, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm gonna show you the first method. In the first step, open the settings, then go to the apps and tap on the CL apps. Now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name, just tap on it and click on install. Choose OK, and after that in the second step go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. Then go to the storage and cache and tap on the manage space. Choose clear all data and configure it by OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. So go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. But remember to choose trusted company. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. And in this application, just tap on you should have it here, the green circle. No, just give me a second. Okay, and once again, open the Avast, tap on the Get Started, skip, and choose Continue. Now close to Ads, and tap on the Continue as Free. Now tap on the green circle, and add a permission to the files. Then go back, and scanning process should start automatically, and after scanning process all of the unwanted softwares should be removed from your phone. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.